Hello, everyone. Good evening, everybody. This is the refurbished 1950s Western Auto Wizard box fan. The I finally got the restoration completed. It took about 2 to 3 days to get the restoration done. You all remember uh, seeing the first video of this of the fan in its condition. It was pretty jacked up and it was busted up. Had had some issues mechanically and electrically, but I've straightened it all out. The original motor to it burned out, but I replaced it with another Westinghouse motor, as well as that I've replaced the switch and the cord. If you can see it. Alright, and here's the back of the fan. It's basically what it looks like now. There's that Westinghouse motor back there, and I've even repainted that. The fan, however, runs very well now. Runs very smoothly. It doesn't have much of vibration to it. Doesn't rattle when it runs. I've taken care of all of that too. And I have the light on in here too, to where you can see the painting, the color of the painting a little bit better. But we're gonna go over a little rant over this fan before I run it. I finally was able to get the fan identified with the help of a few others on YouTube. This fan was actually, to what I was told, was made by Vernco, and they were sold through. These fans were built by different manufacturers, which I do believe to be Vernco, and they were sold through the Western Auto stores, and so they were rebadged Wizard, and I kind of understand this now because some of these fans, they were sold through the C&H air conditioning company as well, and I'm pretty sure a few others. But from what I see, I believe it. I guess it looks to be a bit more of the Vernco design, and so they were sold through other companies and sold through the Western Auto industry, much like the Sears branded fans. There's the badge there. That is not the original. This came off of another Wizard box fan, and it gives out the particulars there. And here is the switch tag here. Looks a little corroded and scratched up. There's the model number 6JC3020. And it draws 115 volts AC and 4 amp. Due to the fact this doesn't have the original motor anymore, I'm pretty sure it's the same thing for this one. Okay, here's the side view of the fan. There's the hole for mounting the stand. Okay, here's the other side. I installed another power cord grip on it. There's the power cord, and there's the back, like I've already showed you. Get a better view of it. It looks pretty good, and I even repainted the front and the back guards. I know that wasn't the original design, but from what I have seen of the pictures of the original of what the fan had looked like before, I'm pretty certain that this is closest to the original color scheme and other Wizard fans that I had seen. So I guess we'll go ahead and we'll fire this fan up now, and we're gonna see how it runs. Here we go. Alright, came up to speed real nice. Throwing out a pretty good breeze. We're not hearing any rattling or anything like that, like what we were hearing before. There's not a whole lot of vibration to it. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll drop it down to low. Low speed's a bit more of a high and medium speed. I love the way these fans sound. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll throw it back up to high. Okay, and we'll power it off. Some of the fiber washers and bushings I did have to replace, so it's not making that thump sound anymore, and I'm pretty sure that pretty much took care of the rattling. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing on the floor, and we're gonna see it running there. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'm very well happy with that. I'm very well happy with the way this turned out. I guess that's about the best it's gonna get. I think the restoration on this came in full circle. Guess we'll go ahead and we'll get a startup sound while we're at it. Okay, we'll get speed 2. Okay, and since I do have the original parts to it, we'll go ahead and we'll go over that. Okay, here's the original pieces that went to it. Here's the armature, what's left of it. That's the original armature to the Westinghouse motor, and this is the conductors that I cut off right after it finally gave out. And this is the cord here. It's the original cord. Basically the only thing on it that was still good. I'm going to hang on to it and it'll be good for something one day. And here is the switch. By the way, if any of you who are watching this video, maybe some of you could give me some advice or tips on what I could do if this switch would be reusable again, or how I would be able to rebuild it, or where I could find them. And I've done some research up online, and these things are kind of hard to find. It's a leave-it-on rotary switch. So, well, there you go, everybody. I hope that you've enjoyed the final video to my awesome Wizard box fan here, and I hope that you've enjoyed, and please like, subscribe, and comment. And Brian from Junior TV, and Carson, and the other guy, Colin. I'm sorry, Colin. This is for you guys too, and let me know what you think. Have a good night, and bye-bye.